certain rules and regulations for
There are certain rules and regulations, right? Do you know what kind of rules and regulations are there so that whoever has to go or own the drone has to register or just has to ensure that the drone is used in a particular format that has been set by the government?
yes.
Do you know which is the governing body? No idea. Chalo, theek hai, koi nahi. I'm not going to give you all the answers, but we are going to give you an opportunity wherein you will explore yourself. Okay, you can use your phone. There's going to be a group activity. But before we begin full-fledged, we can have a round of introduction. Is that okay? So I'll start with my introduction. I'll start with introduction of Indrones. Indrones Solutions Private Limited has been in this industry for over a decade now. Formally we have completed 8 years and we have grown quite massively in the last couple of years. We were hardly 35 or 40 employees, but in last couple of years we've almost reached 100. And we have our team working across various parts of India, covering the data that is needed for certain industries. So we do survey, we do mapping, we also do surveillance, and we also do disaster management. So those are the kind of support we have been providing from time to time. Our clients have been government and semi-government bodies and some private sectors also we have been catering to. And recently, Prime Minister Modi has announced that this is going to be one of the booming industry and he wants to ensure that girls or women should get in this industry and explore the opportunities in particular. So he's been encouraging for women to get in this industry. Having been understood that there is a lot of scope, but personally the kind of challenges we as Indrones have been facing is in getting the skilled people, in giving us the right kind of support. Do you think that just with the kind of course that we usually do or the kind of education we've had, are we getting skilled? Are we getting industry ready? So our aim is to get the students industry ready, so you know the in and out about the industry and you understand what knowledge you need to learn, how much you need to upskill yourself and how you can become ready in getting the job opportunities which are there in the market and how you can explore what kind of opportunities are there, which industry you should look for and what industries are looking for the skills that you will learn in next 3 months. That's the reason we have collaborated, Indrones have collaborated with Government Polytechnic Mumbai and we have started with this course. So that's about Indrones. I'll talk about myself. My name is Anupama. I have almost 22 years of work experience and I joined Indrones only in the beginning of this year. Before that I used to work as a consultant previous year and I saw how massively this industry is growing. So I decided to join them as their employee and I have joined as a head of HR. And I have seen that there is a lot of scope if we share the knowledge that we have. Because a lot of people have interest, they are passionate, but they don't know in which direction they need to go. There are certain courses in the market, but they are very expensive. That makes them ready for certain jobs. But the kind of knowledge that they get is quite limited. And we know and we believe that there is a lot that needs to be shared. And when you have that much of interest, you can definitely learn on your own, but we will guide you for that. So you will know what you need to know and how much you need to know. Alright? So knowledge to subject hai, right? But you should know from where you can pick that knowledge. So that's about me and Indrones. I would request Arpit to come and just quickly introduce himself.
Guys, I'm really not good at this, so this is weird. My name is Arpit. I'm a drone pilot. I take care of operations and marketing at Indrones. Anupama and I will be guiding you throughout the session today. So if you guys have any questions, anything that you need to understand, just feel free to reach out. Address me by my first name.
Thank you. So we're going to start with your introduction now. So who would like to go first? You're going to tell your name, what have you done so far, education में, what is it that you're doing right now? बस इतना ही जानना है. Who would say कि ये यहाँ से शुरू करो वहाँ से शुरू करो. You have to take the lead. Who is going to take the lead? Anyone here? No one. I'm just looking here. There, someone will raise hand and say कि I could initiate. You want to initiate?
My name is Veermata.
A bit louder. Maybe you can turn around. Turn around and then give your introduction.
My name is More. Just passed my 10th and started diploma. So I just heard about AIML, which is a new course. So I thought of joining it and learning new experiences. It's a good thing, and I am enjoying it right now. So it is a good experience. And just started it, so it's a little bit hard, but going further and further, it will be easy, I guess.
Purva, right?
Yeah, Purva.
Okay, great. Thank you so much,
Thank you.
Purva.
My name is Isha Matkar and same I just passed 10 and I got a diploma and AIML was an interesting course recommended to me by my family members and other relatives, which right now is a bit difficult, but I'm hoping it will get easy.
Isha. Okay, thank you, Isha.
My name is Siddhartha. I just completed my 10th standard and I just heard about AIML by my cousin, which is in this college only, and she suggested me to take it because this is a ongoing leading future course, we can say, and there are many opportunities in this.
Right. Your name is
Pranjal.
Pranjal. Okay, thank you, Pranjal.
My name is Shamika Kadam. I just passed my 10th and I chose to take up the diploma of AIML because as I see in diploma we have mechanical, many core subjects we have, but AIML is a upcoming and leading, as she said, leading course which will boost up my career if I give up my best in it. And also in learning process we are learning Python, also now we are going to learn about drones, and we also attended a NESCO conference meeting also and the drone exhibition, so it was quite interesting to see all these stuff coming in India and also in the whole world. So trying our best to give up my best in this career field. And
Can you tell me your name once again?
Shamika.
Shamika. Thank you so much, Shamika. Great.
My name is Divya. I have just passed 10th SSC and now I am studying GPM at AIML course and I am very interested in drone course. So I am going to join it.
Shamika.
Divya.
That's Shamika.
Shamika and
That's Divya. मुझे थोड़ा टाइम लगेगा आपके नाम याद रखने में. I'm very bad at that.
Myself, Rujuta. I have just completed my SSC and me and my father searched for this course in AIML and GPM, especially for diploma.
Acha.
I'm very interested in drones, especially because it's very future opportunities are there, job
Right.
opportunities and leading expenses. So I wanted to join. I will join it.
What's your name?
Rujuta.
Rutuja. Okay, Rutuja. Thank you.
Hi, I'm Mahendra Patil. Just my past project I like AIML since I joined this course.
Thank you, Rutuja.
Madhuja.
Madhuja.
Madhuja. क्या unique नाम है.
You and Rutuja came together, right? At the NESCO thing. Yeah, I remember.
अच्छा, you guys have met.
हाँ.
Oh, they have met. That's nice. Wonderful. Thank you. Yes. So.
My name is Arpit.